Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another topic and with another video and subject, that is international law. We are going to discuss about international law, introduction of international law. What is international law is. So basically, international law primarily is about maintaining economic, political, religious and socio-cultural, regional between two states, more than two states, and states versus non-state actors and institutions. You know what states are, you already know, but non-state actors means the group or the organizations, or we can say institutions, or we can say such like group Al-Qaeda and ISIS. These are the groups, and these are comes under, or we can say these are the non-state actors. Okay, or we can say international law is a set of rules, conventions, treaties, decisions from different jurisdictions and supreme courts or of major power states or important states. So international law is basically revolved among five veto powers states, major powers states, such as Russia, China, USA, UK, and France. These are the five major powers in United Nations. So, as we see in the definitions, that treaties, decisions from different jurisdictions and supreme courts of major power states or important states. So, there is no any single documents which can be said it is an international law. International law is a compendium of different treaties, conventions, charters, and protocols. So what does mean by the compendium? In international law, it is a political treaty in or over which multiple sovereign powers formally agree to share equal dominion and exercise their rights without dividing it into national zone. We can trace international law from Greek age or before Greek age. International law is basically the maintenance of relations among states, non-state actors and organizations. Basically, political and economic relations. These are the two very important areas in international law. Then in environmental relations, different socio-cultural relations. As we studied, or as you studied, hope you studied that international relations, in international relations, the core subject of international relations is war and peace. Similarly, international law revolves around war-related laws, peace-related laws, and then economic-related laws. For instance, international law related with war. We take an example of Geneva Conventions, Hague Conventions of 1899 and 1907. Geneva Conventions about the rights and duties of prisoners and humanitarian laws. In regional settlements and laws about economic settlements and activities. For instance, we have Charter of American States, Charter of African States for trade and economic upliftment. For environmental laws, we have the example of CP26, Paris Climate Change, Geneva Accord, Kyoto Protocol 1997 of United Nations. A most important law for the purpose of peace is United Nations Charter. Its object was to maintain peace, prevent war. International law about when we talk about economics, then we have some laws, or we have some treaties or organizations related to economics, such as WTO, World Trade Organizations, and GATT. Okay, so these are this is the international law. This is just an intro. This was just an intro of international. It was just an intro of international law. In the next video or in the next topic, we will discuss how does international law affect us.